Let's begin today's list with the essence of Nordic elegance. The Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV defined by its calm presence and refined design. Its Thor's hammer LED headlights, smooth lines, and balanced silhouette create a timeless look that radiates quiet confidence. Inside, Volvo's focus on sustainability is clear. Recycled textiles, vegetable tanned leather, and subtle wood accents form a serene, minimalist cabin anchored by a vertical 11.2-inch infotainment display. As expected, advanced safety tech and driver assistance features ensure top-tier protection. The XC90 offers two mild hybrid engines, the efficient 247 horsepower B5 and the stronger 295 horsepower B6. Both deliver refined performance with environmental awareness. Starting around $58,600, it's responsible luxury for drivers who value sustainability. And before we move on to the next luxury ride, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more high-end cars. This is the perfect fusion of raw power, German engineering, and uncompromising elegance, the Audi SQ8. Its muscular shape, wide stance, dynamic lines, and signature quattro posture make one thing clear. This SUV is built to dominate any road. The bold front end and sculpted contours give it a presence that feels both aggressive and refined. Inside, the driver is greeted by a high-tech cockpit that blends luxury with innovation. Audi's virtual cockpit delivers a fully digital experience, while the MMI touch response system offers intuitive control at every moment. Premium materials, precise craftsmanship, and a driver-focused layout turn every mile into an event. Pure adrenaline paired with true comfort. Power comes from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, launching the SQ8 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Yet it remains a practical luxury SUV. Starting at $98,900, the SQ8 delivers top-tier performance without the sky-high price tag. Next up is this striking beauty, the 2025 Genesis G580, a luxury SUV that brings Korean elegance and confident presence to the lineup. While the ones before leaned toward calm minimalism or raw performance, this model shines through bold design, from its crest-style grille to quad LED headlights and a smoothly sculpted body that turns every arrival into a statement. Inside, it welcomes passengers with quilted Napa leather, clean lines, and a refined, minimalist layout. The massive 27-inch display dominates the cabin, delivering a digital experience that feels every bit as premium as what we've seen earlier, yet with its own serene character. Heated and ventilated seats and advanced safety tech keep comfort and confidence high. A turbo four-cylinder offers efficient power, while the twin-turbo V6 provides stronger acceleration at about 6.1 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Starting at just $59,500, it proves luxury doesn't need a luxury price tag. A three-row giant that effortlessly combines family practicality with high-end style, the 2025 BMW X7 makes its presence felt on every road. While some of the SUVs before focused on serene elegance or raw performance, this one balances size, sophistication, and confidence with ease. Its refreshed double kidney grille, optional 22-inch wheels, and commanding stance make it a rolling statement of luxury. Inside, passengers find a leather-clad sanctuary with a sweeping infotainment display powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5. A Bowers & Wilkins sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, while premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship fill every corner. Comfort and technology merge to create a truly first-class driving experience. Under the hood, the xDrive 40i's inline-6 delivers smooth, capable power, while the M60i's V8 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Sports car performance in a full-size SUV. Starting at $84,950, it perfectly blends space, strength, and refinement. This luxury SUV merges brutal power with refined elegance. Compared to the serene or family-focused models we've seen earlier, it instantly demands attention with its AMG grille, flared wheel arches, and massive 23-inch multi-spoke wheels, giving it a commanding street presence. Inside, the cabin is a haven of comfort. Premium Napa leather wraps the seats and panels, while twin 12.3-inch displays integrate entertainment, navigation, and performance data. Front massage seats, heated second-row seating, and electric sunshades create an environment where cutting-edge tech meets classic luxury. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system produces 603 horsepower, launching the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, performance that rivals sports cars. Starting at $115,000, it's more than a family SUV. It's a statement of power, prestige, and pure driving thrill. An American luxury SUV reimagined with Mansory's signature performance and design upgrades, this Escalade stands out with carbon fiber enhancements on the front bumper, hood, and rear diffuser. Massive 26-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires give it an aggressive, commanding stance. Inside, the cabin has been transformed into a bespoke sanctuary. Premium leather with hand-stitched details, custom carbon fiber trims, and refined ambient lighting create a sense of exclusivity. The infotainment system is upgraded, and luxury seating options ensure comfort matches the SUV's bold presence. Under the hood, a 6.2-liter V8 is tuned to 461 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque, delivering impressive performance for a vehicle of this size. Starting around $500,000, the Mansory Escalade blends American power with European craftsmanship, redefining what luxury SUVs can be. One of the most striking and powerful luxury SUVs in the world, designed to make a monumental statement on wheels. The BMW XM stretches over 201 inches, combining sculpted lines, massive proportions, and an aggressive stance that fuses BMW's motorsport heritage with uncompromising luxury. Its imposing double-kidney grille, stacked quad exhausts, and futuristic lighting on 23-inch wheels command attention on every road. Inside, pure luxury takes over. Merino leather, ambient lighting, and a sweeping curved display with BMW's iDrive 8.5 create a cabin where technology and craftsmanship meet seamlessly. Every detail is precision-made to deliver an extraordinary driving experience, balancing comfort and performance. Under the hood, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a plug-in hybrid generates 644 horsepower, propelling the XM from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering keep it surprisingly agile. Starting around $159,000, it is raw power and refined luxury rolled into one. Rounding out today's list is the Lincoln Navigator L, measuring 221.9 inches in length, a luxurious full-size SUV that masterfully blends sophistication with power to claim the fifth position. With its flowing design lines, chrome detailing, and available 22-inch wheels, the Navigator L commands attention wherever it goes. Inside, this luxury SUV features leather seating, wood trim accents, and a 20-speaker Revel Ultima audio system that delivers an exceptional driving experience. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine generates 440 horsepower and provides impressive towing capacity. The Navigator L is ideal for those seeking a spacious, powerful, and refined SUV that delivers premium comfort and technology. Its starting price of $86,000 reflects the upscale amenities and generous space it provides for families and extended journeys.